everybody, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda. I am in the UK, Warrington, and you can find me on Instagram at Linda Simpson Designs. I'm also on Facebook. I've got a Facebook group called Linda's Crochet Corner at Crochet Nook, Linda's Crochet Nook, where I share all my knitting, my crocheting. So please think about joining and sharing all your work with us. So for today, it's April's sock roundup. I've only made one pair of socks this month. Surprise, surprise. And the yarn I've used is from Botanical Yarns, and it's the yarn that was left over from my Twists and Turns Stephen West's Mystery Knit Along from last year. And these are what I've created. These are what I've created, guys. See? And they're sisters. They're not twins, they're sisters. So I am very happy with them. After knitting many socks, I kind of got the length of the leg that I like. I used to do it a lot bigger, but then I'd fold them down, which is a waste of yarn. So I've sussed it out at last, and obviously I always get the foot length right because I've only got little feet. And yes, chat guys, these are the children's blockers. Yes. So they are my socks. I want to thank 2 people this month who have shared their socks with us. Let me get my little knitting notebook out. And that is Bonnie at Bonnie Got Knits and More. Please go and check her out. And Erin, it's the first time for Erin sharing her socks with us, and she is Crafting Kitty. So please check her out. And I was really chuffed to bits because she sent me a lovely email. Excuse me. She sent me a lovely email saying that both Kim and I last year inspired her to try making socks, and she's actually done it, guys. So well done, Erin, well done. So please check out Bonnie and please check out Crafting Kitty. Now what I thought I would do, I would add another little feature here, and that is 3 sock patterns that I purchased this last month. And the first one is a free pattern, and I want to thank Alex from my Yarnery Corner. She did a video about patterns, and this is called Cottontails, and it's by Debbie Ford, and they are the socks. And I've already decided on the sock yarn that I'm going to use them for these. So all the links will be in the description box below. The next set of socks is Lavender Moonflower socks by Twinset and Purls. And I think I've got the yarn for this. I'll need to look for it. But this was a collaboration between Botanical Yarn and Twinset and Purl girls, which are Jo and Rachel. And these have been designed by Rachel, and these are called the Lavender Moonflower socks. So again, I'll put the link for that. And the wonderful Nancy from Knit Sip Happy had brought out a pair of socks last Friday, and what she does is the first week that the socks go live on Ravelry, she donates the proceeds to a charity where she's in Brunswick, she managed to raise 1,100 Canadian dollars for the breast cancer up there in Canada. So I'm absolutely delighted for it. And these are called Tits Up socks, and they're absolutely She said, these socks are inspired by one of my favourite TV shows, The Marvellous Mrs. Maisel. Miriam and Susie are both strong, hilarious women who form a unique relationship in the early 1960s in New York. They use the phrase "tits up" to encourage each other to be brave and fearless. When we put our tits up, our shoulders come back and we feel the power to be strong cheerleaders for ourselves and the women in our lives. How very, very true, guys, isn't it? So yeah, so these are the socks, and I'll put the link below for these. I bought this, and when Nancy brings out new socks, she always does it for charity. The first week of her pattern being live on Ravelry, she always donates the first week's proceeds to a charity, and I always buy a pattern for myself, and I've started to donate to buy a pattern for a friend as well. So you never know, one month it might be you, or whenever Nancy makes another sock pattern. And I think that's all from me for today, guys. Loving my my socks. I love them. They're really nice and they fit me like a glove. So thank you so much. If you knit socks or crochet socks and would like to share with me, please email me a photograph of your socks with whose pattern you've used, what yarn you've used, what needle size you've used, or hook size if you crochet them, and I will add them to this video with a slideshow at the end, and also add a link to your channel as well. So you get in two for the price of one, guys. So take care, everybody, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.